Just want to give you a quick update video. Your bricks are done. They've been polished and repolished and repolished. I'm not going to touch it because it's perfect. However, we did spend a lot of extra time. I didn't charge you for this, but I wanted to make you some really beautiful bolts. So we've been working a lot of extra time for a couple of days now to make these bolts for you. The bricks came out so beautiful. It just wouldn't look right if I didn't go like way beyond normal on your bolts. So I just want to give you a sneak peek and tell you I did not forget about you. We have not stopped working on it. I just really wanted to impress you. The interior is absolutely phenomenal. I don't want to touch it because they're pretty much perfect. Let's look at the fish. That came out pretty sick. I don't think I've showed you this before, but yeah, that came out absolutely stunning. So it actually goes up this way. There you go. So here's a little sneak peek of your American Express bricks. They came out absolutely phenomenal. When you see them all assembled, they look even better. So don't be mad. I just spent some extra time because I wanted to really impress you. So here is a quick peek at your brand new, beautiful, gorgeous American Express bricks. I'll ship these suckers out on Monday. We're gonna just do a little bit more touch up on the bolts and it will be flawless. See ya.